Where should I buy my car from?
Which is the best car to buy?
Which is the best bike to buy?
So which is the best sedan to buy in India?
Who is the best car dealer in India?
Where should I buy my car from?
Who are the best car dealers in India?
These are the more commonly asked questions that I'm expected to answer now. Now the questions have increased as people want to know which dealer they should buy their car from. People feel that they're not satisfied with just reviews and just the amount of explanation people give about a car. They want to know which dealer they should go for, and they of course want to know in this large country which are the best dealers. So we thought to chalk it down for them and to help them know through a website which we came across. We go through a number of websites and reviews before selecting a car. Gone are the days of just self-testing a car. We always prefer experts telling us what to go for and what to buy. Now the selection process has gone a notch up. People even want to know which dealer should they buy their car from, who can give them a better deal and of course better offers. We at Living Cars decided to make it simpler for people as we introduced them to something called Car Dealer Rater. First of its kind online portal wherein you rate your car dealer and also give reviews about their service.
So what we have realized in India, when any car customer wants to look for a reputable car dealer, or if he wants to share his own experience in the story, there is no platform then. And if somebody wants to find out a dealer with a very good service, with a very good transparent deal, there is no platform to find that. So we realized there is a need for such kind of platform. That's where we started cardealerrater.com.
On the portal now, you can also get a review of the latest car, and a group of people help consolidate the data and review that you give about the dealers. They're rated accordingly and then help you make a choice for the dealer you want to pick.
So truly, it's ultimately it's a review and rating platform. So the more number of customers they write about the dealers, they rate them. It's really helpful for the other customers when they come on our platform in search of a good, transparent and reputable car dealer. They simply can read those reviews and get benefited.
The website gets over 100 reviews in a day. They have over 5,000 dealers listed of all manufacturers across the country.
Car dealers in India, they're increasing significantly. We have almost like 5,000 car dealers in India now, and they're increasing. We operate with 32 manufacturers currently, but even manufacturers are increasing. And recently there is a news that 5 more manufacturers are coming, including Kia and 2 more Chinese companies. So the point is the number of dealers are increasing, right? The choices are increasing. So it's no more a seller's market, it's a buyer's market, right? We need to respect that. So dealers also need to become more transparent, more customer friendly.
If you're out there wanting to buy yourself a new car and a bike, here we have the answer for you today. So you can choose and pick your dealer, and of course, according to the services, you can give your response as well. Your review matters a lot, and now you have a platform wherein you can give your answer as well. So go ahead and buy yourself the car, and do not forget to review your dealer.